everyone. Welcome to Nikki's Handmade World again. It's your girl Nikki. It's a beautiful day out here today, and wanted to take you with me on a shopping spree. So I'm your BFF. Get used to it. Let's get to it. But before that, check out the mask. Yes, you're feeling this. You're feeling this. Get one like this. Okay. And outfit time. Let's see what I got on. Okay. It matches, right? It matches, right? I know. Yes. So let's see where we're going at today. So I go all different types of places, but today we're going to Five Below. All right, guys, let's get into it. Guys, one of my happy places, Five Below. It's super fun to come here, and especially if you just want to see what they have or just want to find some cute, fun things, especially if you're on a budget like me. And I know you feel me, some of you guys feel me anyway, that you can always find cool and interesting stuff at Five Below. So let's take a little shopping trip. Now, I needed something specific actually when I came here. I needed to look for a backdrop so I can film in my area. I do have an area where I do my crafting and sewing and make my mask and jewelry and stuff like that, but I wanted a cute backdrop. But I got sidetracked by this super cute dresses. So I like these tube top type dresses. They're super cute, stretchy, especially if you need some room for the girls, you know what I'm talking about. Then yeah, it's super stretchy and super cute, not too fancy, just plain with the pleats. I really love it. It's kind of like a baby doll dress slash tube top. So super cute, and of course it's going in the shopping cart with me because reasons, and it's $5, so you know. So I'm looking through, seeing what size they have, different sizes. Now look how cute this pattern is. Super cute, fun, very you know, spring-like, even though it's not spring, I know, but super cute. I do like the pastel colors in it, so I'm looking to see what size they have. They have mostly smalls left, but I did find a medium. Look how cute that is. Like, if you can't tell, I love color. I don't wear it all the time, but I do love a splash of color. Like, obviously from the outfit I got on, you can tell that. So I did end up grabbing a few dresses. Now let's move on to, of course, their t-shirt section. I'm sure you've been to Five Below before, or if you haven't been, they are super known for their t-shirts, their low prices and cool logos, even though I make custom shirts as well. So definitely check out the site for that, NikkisHandMadeWorld.com. You can find all types of good stuff on my site as well. So just some, you know, some basic kind of tees with low sayings already on them, but I actually make ones that you can customize yourself. So of course it wouldn't be Five Below if I didn't check out the super cute makeup products. Look how cute is that? Of course it's pink, so I'm giving it an extra look. And makeup, also they have perfumes here. I find that these don't last very long and they don't smell the best, but if you're on a budget and need something, these aren't that bad. Now I'm actually in the little kind of workout section, and I know I love the different sections, but I'm seeing what they have. This little hand massage roller looks interesting. The thing for your phone, the teeniest weight I've ever seen. I don't know what kind of resistance that's going to give you. I guess some, I guess. But then actually I saw the last one of this under the door sit-up bar, which was pretty awesome. It goes right under the door and your feet kind of go on it, and you can get some pull-ups done You know, without all of your feet moving and sliding all around, which is a great asset actually to have. So guess what? The girl always needs some help with her core, so it's going in there. Yep, there we go. Yep, with my cute super. Hi guys, hi. Yes, still blingy in my mask, giving you life with it, with my colors today. So super cute section where they have stickers at, and as you can see there, a lot of stickers. They are known for their kind of arts and crafts supplies as well. Super cute. Oh, foxy unicorn action. Gotta love that. Just seeing everything they kind of have, and whatever catches my eye, I will grab it, you know, and especially the arts and crafts department. If I could use something, you know, for the channel or for different things like that, I always have to check out the sections to see if they have something I need. And if you want to see me do special projects on here, special arts and crafts, stuff like that, just leave the comment in the description below, in the comment section below, and I'll do it for you. Yeah, why not? So many arts and craft supplies. Look at these cool kits they have. Super fun. And it just makes me feel like a kid again. Just so much. And the prices, you can't beat that. I mean, you really, literally cannot beat it. I know, right? Yeah, I know. I'm checking stuff out. Look at those, right? Expo. Yeah. So let's come over here to where they have more kits. These are more like, they have games there, and then they also have like more arts and craft kind of slime art that you can put together. As you can see, so many to choose from actually. I love this water bottle. Like, how cute is that? You can just like do it yourself. Soon I'll be doing blinged out water bottles on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed so you can get all of the notifications every time I post. Magician kit. Like, who doesn't want to be a magician? Like, seriously, what? Who does not want to? Like, if I had magic powers, forget it. It would be a game changer. So this is one of the reasons I actually came here, which I knew they had because, yeah, I've been here before. And so I was looking at the different backdrops, and I was considering this one. That I'm here just looking at the size, the dimensions of it. So I see both of them are the same dimensions. They have the silver, which I think will kind of go more with my theme. I do have some silver elements in my work area. So I'm gonna actually go for the silver just to enhance my backdrop, and I can film against it, and it's gonna look super cute. All of the different party, graduation and birthday kind of favors to decorate the place for a party, and I'm gonna get 2 of them because, you know, reasons. As you can see, that is silver, so stay tuned. You're gonna see that actually on my YouTube channel when I'm filming certain videos, certain entrepreneur life videos. I will be using that backdrop, and it's gonna be super cute. So yeah. So I have to check out, like, every time I'm here, the tech stuff that they have. Tech, yeah. So I actually have one of these, the you know, the speaker, like for your phone. So when I'm working on the computer, I can actually amplify the sound of my phone and make it a stereo. So this is actually a speaker for your phone, and it's Bluetooth enabled, which is so convenient. I love this thing. And so I do have one. You can see it in the video if you really pay attention in some of my videos, but I do use it all the time, and it works fine. I've had mine for like a year, so I'm just kind of seeing the different designs. They also make a great gift, which I know, like at Christmas, I give these out to friends and stuff as part of like Christmas gifts, and they simply love them. And of course, you have the kind of somewhat Bluetooth enabled earphones. If you don't have iPods, this is the next best thing. You know, so you won't have the string kind of hanging down and getting tripped up into everything. This kind of goes behind your neck and into your ears and super out the way. It's great for working out and stuff like that. So this is a great alternative to the pods. You can see they have them in different colors, and the price is super cheap. So will they last forever? Probably not, but you will get your money's worth out of these. So I am actually looking to purchase one because you can never have enough earphones. So I am looking. Now these, you see how the prices are creeping up a little bit on the tech stuff, like $5.95. Yeah, so just be aware of that. Like, where's this extra buck coming from? Yeah, it's the tech stuff is a little marked up, but as you can see, I'm choosing that one. Sonar, Bluetooth for behind the head, and yeah, there you go. So now, as you obviously know, I'm a YouTuber, so I'm always looking for lighting. I have upgraded my lighting recently, but I'm always on the hunt for lighting here and there, and I'm just seeing what they have. I do like the LED light strips, which are pretty useful if you're taking up-close selfies and stuff, but it's not powerful enough to give you some real good light when you are doing your YouTube videos. Unless you have a good amount of natural light, like a real good amount, then you're gonna need some sort of ring light or some type of LED light that is, you know, like a strip or something that is definitely gonna brighten up the space for your recordings. So you see they have all different types of lighting here. The power cord, super helpful. I actually bought I think 2 power strips from here, 2 surge protector power strips from here. Now, a trip to Five Below would not be complete without checking out phone cases. So these are for iPhone. And as you can see, they got different multiple choices as usual. Different designs, yep. iPhone Pro that has the 3 cameras. Some that have the 2 cameras you see there, but you know, super cute. Anything shiny, I'm so attracted to it. It's insane. So they also have, you know, different types, but all of these I believe are for iPhone. Now I am in kind of the home sort of area where you can get little knickknacks and stuff. Of course, make the world turn because reasons. And I love this super cute rug they have. Now it's all white, so I don't know how sterling I can keep it, but it's fluffy and soft and I love it. So, you know, I just had to. Yeah, I love this actually. I wish it was larger, but what can you get for $5? It's just like, you want the most. But no, I'm not gonna get it, as you see. Checking out their I love this Girl Boss Fuel. You know, I love that thing. For personal reasons, for obvious reasons, you know, entrepreneur life, gotta love it. And love your space. Gotta love your space. Different fragrances. I do use kind of the Glade plugins and the Glade, you know, sort of family to, you know, to make my house and my work area smell super dreamy. But this is also a nice alternative too. I do love these candles. Look at these candles, guys. The chakra candles. Oh, look at that. Root, energy, and productivity. I know that smells amazing. And look how big they are. That's gonna last forever. So I'm giving you a look at my cart. We're gonna, as you can see, I have those dresses there. I have the backdrops. I have the earphones. And I have my under the door apping because I definitely need to work on my midsection. It's been a wild, crazy year, so I haven't been going to the gym, and obviously for quarantine reasons, I haven't been going to the gym. So I've been trying to work out at home, but I really need to step it up, so that's why I'm buying it. Now, of course, I had to be met by something super cute and snuggly because it's Five Below and they're shiny and soft and cute. And why wouldn't I go over here? Because, you know, that's reasons. So, Unicorn. Hi, Unicorn. And that's my new friend. my new friend. He loves me. It's a thing. Yeah, we're together now. Get used to it. All right, I'll share you with your friends for now. Yeah, we broke up. Sorry. Bye. And yeah, I know. Super cute, right? And then, of course, I had to take a look at some reading because, you know, I'm smart, so reasons. And I just wanted to see what they had over here. I love that they have all types of books, great actual books, actually. You'd be surprised what you can actually find here. These look like, I mean, they're not bestsellers and stuff like that, but they're pretty awesome. Some authors that are really kind of interesting, and you know, look at that. Make yourself cozy. It's about self-care, which is super important, guys. Take care of yourself, and your body will take care of you. So if you guys want me to do some wellness videos, just let me know in the description below. But I think that's gonna wrap up our shopping spree. All right, guys, we actually just got finished shopping at Five Below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me once again. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe for all types of cool videos. And I'll see you next time. I'm your new BFF, so get used to it. Make sure you're checking out the Instagram, and I actually have a new website as well. It's called NikkisHandMadeWorld.com. NikkisHandMadeWorld.com. Make sure you check it out. Peace.